What's going on, everybody? If you're serious about aerial photography and ready for a drone that can handle real outdoor conditions, meet the K812 Max RC Drone. This isn't a toy, this is a professional-grade tool packed into a remarkably portable, foldable body. The K812 Max is all about precision, power, and phenomenal range. Unrivaled stability and range. The biggest upgrade here is the flight system. The K812 Max features a dual positioning system, combining high-accuracy GPS positioning with optical flow hovering. This combination means the drone locks onto its position and altitude with absolute certainty, making for buttery smooth video footage even when you take your hands off the controls. Speaking of control, we're talking about a massive range upgrade. The 5G signal pushes your flight distance out to approximately 500 meters. That allows you to explore huge areas and capture truly epic, cinematic shots. Power to fight the wind. To match that range, you need power. The K812 Max is equipped with an advanced brushless motor system. This isn't just for efficiency, it gives the drone level 6 dynamic wind resistance. If you've ever had a flight ruined by a sudden gust of wind, you know how crucial this is. This drone holds its line and remains stable where weaker quadcopters would struggle or drift away. Dual 4K escape cameras. The camera system is built for versatility. You get a 4K Dual HD camera setup, the main front lens and a second bottom lens. The front camera is electronic speed control adjustable, allowing you to remotely change the tilt angle in mid-flight to perfectly frame your shot, from wide-angle landscapes to a detailed ground view. The best part? When you're done, the drone is incredibly easy to manage. It folds down to a compact 14 by 11 by 9 centimeters, making it ideal for transport. And with its smart USB charging system, you're always ready for the next flight. With an approximate 16-minute battery life, powerful level 6 wind resistance, and solid GPS guidance, the K812 Max gives you the confidence to fly higher and explore further. Where would you take a 500 meters range drone first? Drop your dream location in the comments.